Namaskar and very good morning to one and all. Myself Monalisha and today we are going to discuss on the topic cleaning of wooden surfaces. So this is our activity number 4 as well as topic 4, and this particular topic is belong to the foundation course in housekeeping operation lab, and the course code for the same is BSCH 1009. So before we proceed towards in details about for the cleaning of wooden surfaces, let's first discuss what are all the topic outcomes. The first topic outcome is that once you complete this study, you will become to know to understand the cleaning tools for wooden surfaces. Second would be interpreting various steps involved in this cleaning method. Third would be to understand the use of cleaning agents that are being used for the cleaning of specifically the wooden surfaces in hotels. And the fourth point and the last one is to understand the maintenance of wooden surfaces. It means what are all the care and the maintenance part is there in order to maintain the wooden surfaces shiny and for the long duration, that this point has to be clarify us. So let's see what is there in the next. Next we will be talking about the objectives. So let's see it. So here we come with the objective part. In the objective part, it means the first one is to analyze the cleaning tools for the cleaning of the wooden surfaces. Second would be to understand the maintenance of the wooden surfaces, and third would be to explore the methods used for the wooden floor surfaces. As you know that for maintaining a furniture, of a wooden furniture and a wooden floor, they are both in different. So we need to understand, and we will also discuss in this topic that what is the chemical that is being used to maintain the wooden furniture and the cleaning agents and the steps. It means the methodology that are there for the maintaining of the wooden floor. So let's first understand is in a video. So let's watch a video first. So here we go with the wooden floor surface cleaning that you can see here. The what is wood? We first need to first understand the meaning of wood here. So wood is a hard, compact and fibrous and porous. Good woods make for a rich, warm and beautiful surface. It is an extremely versatile surface material with its varied colors and different grain patterns and used throughout the hotel establishment. Being a porous material, wood absorbs water as well as dust. It is also prone to the fungal attacks and the pest infestation. So since the wood is having very much porous, so one has to be very highly precaution to be taken while cleaning the wooden floor surfaces, since it absorbs water. So it is always advisable that while cleaning this particular type of surfaces, the water should be always avoided. Now going further, let's see what is next there in the wooden floor surface cleaning. Wooden furniture care. So this is one of the that is called your Tasky R4, which is your mainly used for the cleaning or for the maintenance of the wooden furniture. And here in this particular slide, you will have a better understanding how this particular Tasky R4 is to be used for the cleaning of the all wooden furniture. This particular cleaning agent, I would rather say it that it is only used to maintain or to bring back the shine of the wooden furniture. So how it is to be done? First, as you have already watched in that video, that before cleaning any wooden surface, whether the wooden furniture or the wooden area, the floor part, the area has to be first dry dust, right? So before applying this Tasky R4 on the wooden furniture, the wooden furniture has to be dry dusted. It means the duster, one dry duster is to be used to clean out or to wipe out any dust particle if that is settled down on the wooden furniture. Next comes all wooden floors and furnishing. It is to be used. It means Tasky R4 is to be used for the cleaning of all the wooden floors and furnishing. Next comes how to dilute it. It means since this Tasky R4 is completely oil based, as I told you that always the water is to be avoided for using on wooden surfaces, since the wooden surfaces is very much porous, so that can absorb the moisture and ultimately eventually that will kill or damage the surface of the wood. So here what happens, since your Tasky R4 is very much oil based, so this particular is chemical is not required to be diluted with the water. So directly this particular chemical can be used. Next comes uses of this cleaning agent. So here we will learn how to use for this clean for this particular Tasky R4. Shake the bottle well before use. Since this is the product of Johnson Diversity, so before this product is being used, it has to be shaked well. Next, spray on a softer dry cloth. So it is always advisable that if any of the chemical is being used for cleaning of any of the surface, not only in the wooden surface or in the glass surface, any of the surface, the cleaning agent should not be applied directly onto the surface, because ultimately that will kill the the brightness and the outer layer of that particular surface. Next comes spray on the soft dry cloth. Third would be applying to the surface evenly and start buffing. Next comes buff the floor or the surface to high shine, replacing the cloth regularly. Next would be that this particular Tasky R4 should not be used on any glasses, any floors or any stairs in a laminated sheet. So this is what the use of Tasky R4 on the wooden furniture. So let's see what next is there with us to understand this wooden floor surface cleaning. Let's see it. So we have few practice questions here, like what is the importance of the wooden floor? What is R4? R4 is oil based or water based. Which cloth is to be used for the wooden floor cleaning, and what are all the maintenance procedure for the wooden surfaces? So these are all the practice questions may arise from this particular topic. So now we basically understood what is R4, how it is to be used, and why going cleaning for the wooden floor. What are all cleaning tools that one has to require, and how to go with the process. So these are all the step-by-step procedure for the cleaning of the wooden surface. So thank you so much. I hope we all have a wonderful session. Thank you so much.